Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel and today is May 12. Oy, pasensya na, sobrang kalat. Nasa Colony kami guys. It's May 12 and then we are about to paint the small room in there. Ang dami nang naging update dito, makalat pa rin. Pero pakita ko sa inyo yung update ng aming Colony. Medyo madami-dami na din kaming ginawa. Wait lang. So yan na, nalagyan na ng sahig. Ang sahig na ito ay yan yung kulay. As in, the whole thing is may sahig na. And then, papunta tayo dito sa... Excuse me. Punta tayo dito sa toilet area. May ano na din, may tiles.
Don't step there, don't step
Oh,
there.
I'm not allowed to.
Oh, you just broke it. Look.
It's broken even before that's what you told me. Okay, may sira na guys. Tingnan nyo, pero hindi ako nakasira niyan. But anyway, feeling ko nakasira nito yung nag-ayos dito ng ano, kanang water. So ito na. There, extra cabinet for, alam nyo na, yung mga kung anik-anik natin. Dito daw yung magiging toilet bowl, ganyan. Tapos, dito daw yung parang sink. Bubutasan pa ito dito. Lagay ng sink dyan. And then, yeah, and then there is the shower. So, wala pang water. I-connect na lang yan. Naka-tiles na. Ganda. There. It's gonna be the bedroom. May floor na din siya. Bali, naka-paint na siya guys, pero i-second coat daw, ganyan. So, pero unahin namin yung maliit na room. So, ito na siya. And ito yung sinasabi kong toilet na binili nila Martin dun sa Sweden. And kakaibang toilet siya. Hindi siya yung normal na toilet. Parang paggamitin mo siya, isi-separate yung number 1 and then number 2 para hindi daw bumaho. Tapos, mapupunta dyan. Tapos parang may plastic, ganyan. Tapos, tapos ano mo, pag medyo puno na, i-out mo na. So, yun guys. Pero medyo weird na toilet. Pero, meron din namang, toilet talaga na totoong toilet na andon sa labas. Ito is para lang pag may emergency, ganyan. Pag in the middle of the night. Pero, yun. So, yeah, dami na nag-improve. Baka matapos na ito talaga. Konti-konti na lang. Tapos, yung kitchen namin dyan, maliit lang. Darating daw by Monday. So, i-install dito. Yung kitchen na yun is drawing talaga ni Martin. Tapos, siya yung nag-design. Tapos, yung gumawa is a certain company, ganyan. Tapos, i-deliver nila by Monday. And let's see what's gonna happen. And this is the small room. Ito yung parang room ng mga bata pag andito sila nagbabakasyon. Pero pag wala sila, ito yung magiging parang office ko, ganyan. So guys, I'm gonna put tape on the corner of this room because to make sure that the paint will not spread out. Hindi dapat malagyan ng paint. So that's what I'm gonna do. Martin is in the other room. We also already taped that one. He's on, he's doing the painting right now. And then now I'm gonna prepare this room ready for painting.
A cup of coffee in the morning, and I get the paper. I check the headlines and decide that I am bored. I check my email and I decide to answer later. Another cup of coffee and I drag myself to work. My life is grounded in a firm routine of coffee, sleep, and work. I am not boring, I just stick to what I know. I'm sitting there at work and I realized I forgot to wake up. I can't be productive when I'm dreaming about a sheep. I go upstairs and get myself enough.
There. So yun guys, sa mga nagtatanong dyan, why we're doing it the way we're doing it, we're not hiring any, help. Kasi nga, dito sa Denmark guys, ang mahal. Ang mahal pag nag-hire ka ng parang professional na pwedeng tumulong sa iyo, ganyan. So ito mga ginagawa naman namin is, kaya naman din namin gawin. Si Martin na doon nagpipaint. Kaya naman din namin gawin. So, it's the way para makasave din ng money. Kasi nga, it's so expensive if you're gonna get a professional. Paulit-ulit, ganyan. So, yeah. So, I think you already know, if you've been watching my previous vlogs, that we've been building this colony. We call it colony. It's not a summer house. It's a smaller version of a summer house dito sa Denmark. And nung binili namin siya, sobrang hindi talaga pwedeng matirhan. Parang, alam mo yun, yung bahay na parang uuga-uga. So, dinemolish namin yun. And then after that, Martin he designed a new house. He designed this colony house. Nag-drawing, ganyan-ganyan. And then, people help him. People help us, actually, to build this one. And lahat yun, hindi din mga professional. Parang mga kaibigan-kaibigan lang din. And then, may mga video ako na parang we really started from nothing kasi giniba namin to lahat. And then we started from, yung mag-dig ng anyway, it's a very long story. And then, now, parang parang na-build na talaga, and we are on our way na ma-paint na siya. Pag na-paint na siya lahat, parang nagawa talaga namin without any experience, ganyan, lahat yan, YouTube lang. And then, yeah, the other day, may napunta dito yung, alam mo yung in charge sa pagkukunek-kunek ng water, ganyan. So yun, hindi namin kaya yung gawin kasi nga pag hindi maayos yung paggagawa, magkakaproblema tayo sa mold, sa ganyan. So yun, kumuha kami talaga ng professional na mag-connect ng water. Hindi pa siya final, and he's gonna come again later on. And by Monday, darating na yung kitchen, which is renewing lang din ni Martin. So, i-install namin yan. Once the kitchen is installed, so babalik yung lalaki. And then, he's gonna connect everything. And then, everything will be done. Not done. But, small room will be done today. Painting. This one maybe will also be done with painting today. I just have to put tapes and protect the floor. And then, after that, pag yung small room and this room is done, then we're gonna move forward to the living room. Pero, hindi pa yung magagawa, I think, this day. Parang, may rapan lang yan. So, continue lang na tayo. Yeah! Ganyan. And gusto ko dito guys kasi parang may sarili talaga kaming garden, ganyan. Doon sa tinitira namin, apartment siya. May garden naman, pero it's a shared garden. So, minsan, ayaw mo makakita ng tao. So, I just wanna relax. Hindi ako masyadong... Gusto ko yung sarili talaga ba? Tapos, makakapaglagay ka ng mga bulaklak na gusto mo. Adjust ko muna kayo ha. Bulaklak na gusto nyo. Plants, ganyan. And pa summer na dito, this is actually the perfect time to fix the garden. Kaya lang, let's see kung magagawa ba namin kasi the main focus now is to finish everything here inside. And then once it's done, then we're gonna do the garden also, make it look nice, ganyan. Pero let's see kung magagawa ba namin this summer kasi ang daming gagawin pero I can already see the end of it. So, ang galing, ang ganda. Adjust ko muna kayo. Palayo kayo ng palayo para kita yung mga ginagawa ko. There. Let's tape everything. Char, as if na hirap ha. No, actually, you have to be careful kasi you don't want the excess paint to go in places you don't want them to go. There. Perfect. Nagawa ko na dyan. Dyan na lang corner nyo ang gagawin ko. Oh, wait. So guys, low-bat na ako. So pag namatay to, hindi ko ma-film. Pero ito yung ilalagay ko sa floor guys. Para Ready na siya for painting. My God, nakakainis naman. Taga-asin super low ba? Low bat. So, pag natawag, sabihin mo salamat sa mga